Subscribe to Judiciary Legal Solutions and hit the bell icon so never miss an update. Today I have to discuss with you some landmark judgment on Section 165 of Indian Evidence Act. Zahira Habibullah Sheikh versus Gujarat AIR 2005 Supreme Court. In this case, court held that rule of law and due process is closely related with the human rights, and it is the court's duty to protect human rights, and also held that ultimate purpose of trial is to ascertainment of truth. What court will do? Court in the trial always try to ascertain the truth, and also there should be justice shall be done to all the parties, and therefore trial has to be a fair justice to all the parties. Therefore trial has to be fair, and there is no universal definition that what is fair trial and what is unfair trial, because it would depend upon the case to case and fact and circumstances. So court has to devise the mechanism to do fair trial, and therefore court has with itself some special power, just like Section 165. Ritesh Tiwari versus UP. In this case, the court said that every trial is the journey of discovery of truth, in which truth is a quest, means a long search for something that is difficult to find. So for this, court said that court has to be equipped with special power to find out the truth, which is with the object of subserving the cause of justice and public interest. One more thing, जो सर जेम्स फिटजेम्स स्टेफन थे, उन्होंने कहा था कि जो जज है it must primarily should depend upon the matter presented before him by the parties, but he should ascertain the truth by the inquiries also, and it is for the purpose that he has been given special power under this section. And there may be errors in the examination of witnesses, because lawyer may not be sometimes as well trained, or they may not present all facts due to any other reason. So here it is the duty of the court to be proactive to find out the truth. And author Bacon said that an over-speaking judge is not a well-tuned cymbal. Cymbal is a musical instrument. He said that over-speaking judge is not a well-tuned cymbal, means judge should speak where it is required, it is a demand of circumstance. He should not speak like आपके सामने कोई केस आया है और आप लॉयर्स को हटा के गए, एडवोकेट्स को हटा के गए, नहीं आप लोग कुछ मत बोलो, मैं खुद इंक्वायरी करूँगा, मैं खुद एग्जामिनेशन करूँगा और स्टार्ट हो जाए, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. One more case on Section 165 is State of Rajasthan versus Annie, AIR 1997 Supreme Court. In this case, court held that under Section 165 of Indian Evidence Act, court has very wide and unrestricted power, and therefore court can interfere at any stage of the proceeding to summon the document or any question, or to ask any question. However, court should not be overzealous or over enthusiastic. It should not unnecessarily interfere in the process of examination by the parties. However, these guidelines held by the court are only rule of prudence. These are not rule of law. Means ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि कोर्ट खुद को रेस्ट्रिक्ट करके रखेगा, ये सिर्फ रूल ऑफ प्रूडेंस है, रूल ऑफ लॉ नहीं है. बेटर यही होगा कि कोर्ट टाइम एंड सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग एक्ट करे. कोर्ट विल नॉट असिस्ट एनी पर्टिकुलर पार्टी. Court will just try to discover the truth. One more case is Ramchandra versus State of Haryana. In this case, court held that court cannot threaten or tease any witness or try to intimidate any witness to make a statement before the court. Means court cannot say to any witness that you have to reply this question as per my whims and fancies, otherwise you will go to jail like this. फ्रेंड्स, एक वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है और उस मेहनत का जो फ्रूट होता है वो आप लोगों के सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड कमेंट एंड लाइक होते हैं. तो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स और low students, and like and let me know in the comment section below about your interest. Okay, bye, thank you for watching.